Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how I can use smart mockups in Canva Pro. So go to home first if you're in this page I made, and go to smart mockups. Some of these are free, by the way, but most of them you need Canva Pro for it. So I think this one's free, so I'm just going to select this here, and then I'm going to select. Well, I'm just going to press select, sorry. And you can select an image here, so make sure you design it first, and you can also use like these designs. I'm just going to choose this one for reference, and I'm then going to press select. So make sure you have a design ready, and then you are going to also adjust image here. I'm going to actually make the text smaller, so I'm just going to do that, and I'm going to align it in the middle. You can also flip it if you want, but I'm just going to align it like that, and I'm just going to press save, and hopefully it's a little bit smaller, as you can see, but there will be some like this, like I don't know, like this kind of outline a little bit, but yeah, that is really how you can use smart mockups in Canva. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!